everyone, and a special hello to you that is watching this video. Today I'm going to show you now. Okay, I've took off all the backing. As you can see, there's all the old things off. In some places, Chloe decided she wants to play. They confined to the carpet because they can't get to their doggy bed because of my dollhouse that's in front of it. So yeah, Sandy is not so happy to lie on the ground, but yeah, now Chloe's got a little playmate. But anyhow, but I actually want to show you. So everything now I took off the old leather I used. I took it off, tear it off. Some places like here, the first layer of the carton came off with so that's why I paste all this masking tape here around, and then everywhere where it was like where I fixed the backing of the windows that I made smaller, and yes, another one here. I paste everything with masking tape just to clean it off, and obviously all the corners and on the top here, just to make it look neater. Even though you won't see the top, but I just want to look so it can look neater. So now I'm gonna paste this here at the back. I'm going to do will show you now. I'm obviously going to lift it up a bit, so there will be 3 layers of this, and then this piece of leather will come here on top. So that I will show you now. So it's going to most likely look like if I can come here with these that's playing, and then actually move on here, puppies. So yeah, actually it looks beautiful with this pasted here next. So I'm gonna obviously, because there's now a little space here on this one here, so the piece that I cut off there, I think it's just 1 layer here, I'm going to paste it here, and then this little piece here I'm gonna make like flower pots, and put some of the like a little small leaves I showed you last time. I'm gonna put it here on the side just to hide this. So then this side will be finished. Now on, I'm gonna make videos while I'm doing, I've got all the cameras and all that fancy stuff now. So yeah, I can show you now videos of how I'll make my stuff. Sometimes it will look, I will try to so it can look as neat as possible around me while I'm doing that. But yeah, so and then afterwards I'm gonna do the windows. I got like this here, because I tried to take it off, but because of on the other side, on this side here is the shower. So now it's pasted against here, so I couldn't take this out. So I'm just not gonna put the leather in there. But yeah, I'm gonna use this. I will show you now what I'm actually using as well, and I'm gonna use this for all the window frames. So I'm gonna put that in first, and then afterwards I'm gonna make I've got an idea for the window. I'm gonna make the windows, so that, but like I said, with real hinges. So then the windows can open. So yeah, so let's get started. Okay, this time you will be able to see why while I'm doing something. So it's going to be my first one. So let's try it. Okay, see you just now. side first, totally first, so now I can turn it around again and then finish the back part. So I'm going to finish side, I want to start by point and finish everything up. So my idea here is because I've got this little lip here, and then I've got this little plate, that's why I bought this little thing. So I'm going to put some flowers inside there, just small with hot glue, or greenery, and I will maybe use some of this, yeah, because we've also got lots of this, so I'll maybe use some of this here, and then there's little flowers somewhere in between, maybe a flower of 3 or 5, just for to neaten the side off. That's what I want to do here. So I just want to neaten the side off here. So that's what I'm going to do next now. Okay. So what I'm going to do now to end this ugly piece of here, I'm going to use this placement wood. See if that's going to work. I think it will. Just place it over. Almost all. And I can't do it because there is something going over here. So yeah. It's perfect to use as to neaten that off. So that's all I have to do now, and then I'm finished on this side. I'm going to put one on this side as well, so it can look the same. Okay, I'm finished now. I did both of this, the sides now, so I did the same now. So I'm now actually finished, totally finished with this whole wall on this side now. I like the greenery here. It's just actually just enough, just perfect, just to hide the blemishes or something that was not right. So that's actually perfect like that. So yeah, now I must move to the back side, but I think that is for a whole new episode. Get the fundamentals down and the level of everything you do will rise. Bye.